All right guys, welcome back. My name is Steve with LRM. Today we're going to talk about replacing a temp sensor in the AC unit under the dash for the evaporator. Sometimes you guys have seen this code, but it doesn't really change anything. You just got sick and tired of that code. So it's very easy to replace. Only a few tools that you're going to need. You're going to need a T25 Torx bit to remove a panel. You can use a handheld one, or I'm going to show you my little screw gun, as well as a flathead. That's it, very easy. The code you guys can get off with your scanner if you have one, or stroll through the dash in the center of your console where you see on your ICU, and that will tell you what that code would be if it has to replace that temp sensor on the AC unit. But before we get started guys, let's talk about you guys pounding those videos that you like and love and watch all the time. And then also trying to save some money, guys, don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions or something you want me to talk about, guys, leave a comment at the bottom. All right, guys, let's hop right into this. We're in our Freightliner Cascadia 2019, and to access the temp sensor for your AC unit is going to be right here in the center part of your dash. There's 4 screws. You're going to use a T25. We're going to take this off real quick. There's four screws. So I pulled the plate, and I already got a flashlight in there just so you guys can see it. But the temp sensor for your evaporator is going to be right here. All right. Normally you'll get the codes that would say like short, not reading. Almost 90% of the time that's the problem, is the sensor, right? So to get that out, one, you'll see a white plug, right? And all you got to do is squeeze and pop that out. So just like that, it's pretty easy. And then this is where you're going to use your flathead screwdriver. You're going to see, just grab on the outside of it and just pry a little. It doesn't take much. As you can see, I just did that, and it comes right out. All right, it's a temp sensor. All right, right here is a little bulb. Usually this right here is what goes bad, from water hitting it after time. And then all you got to do is put the new one right back in there. So just make sure you slide it back in. It was that easy, guys. Just slide that in, put your sensor in there, plug it in, easy peasy lemon squeezy all day. And you just saved yourself. This is what took the longest. Now, if you guys have, as you can see, this truck at one point had maybe a call comm and whatnot, you guys may have the same thing. If it's something that you guys can unbolt real quick or just lay down, and you have full access, and more likely the shop's gonna charge you like 2 hours to do the job, right? 1 for connecting the computer, 2 for replacing the sensor. It's sad. And you guys could have done that right here through your dash to find out what that code is, look it up, or ask your technician. And if he says, oh, it's just a sensor on your AC unit for your evaporator, and you can watch this video and it's like, I can do that because it was easy, and save money, like more than $200 doing it yourself. So just keep that in mind, guys. The simplest things will save you money. And then you just do everything reverse. So that's what I'm gonna do. Put everything back together and we're done. All right guys, so it was very simple. As you can see, 4 screws, we remove it. Remember, T25 Torx bit. Also flathead screwdriver just to pop that bad boy out. And then the plug, just make sure you squeeze and pull ever so carefully. You slide that, that's how you take it off. And then of course, just do it in reverse. Install the new one, plug it back in. Cycle the key, and if you have a scanner, go ahead and hit the clear button, run your AC, and you should be done. Like I said, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And you guys are saving money. If you guys like what you saw today, don't forget to pound that like button. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave a comment at the bottom. And guys, I want to save you money. Don't forget to subscribe. See you guys around.